When considering your next home, you'll also be looking at the type of lifestyle you want to live. 26 Boward Close, Yaroomba is perfectly suited to those who want to be immersed in nature with bush tracks at your doorstep, but also just a short, flat walk or ride to putting your toes in the sand. The home itself is not your standard cookie cutter. Loaded with character, it's your classic Queensland treehouse set on the beach. High vaulted ceilings, stunning timber work, and plenty of external areas to let in the sea breeze. Thanks so much for watching. 26 Boward Close is truly a one of a kind and must be seen to be appreciated. For those interstate and outside the area, we're more than happy to walk you through the home virtually. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.